What's up, my girls? Let's just jump right into it. Let's talk about the product that has the girlies adding to cart, adding to cart, adding to cart. Our newest 2x6 lace closure. As you can see, this closure is long enough and big enough to create a nice dramatic effect when it comes to like your middle parts, and you can even put her on the side. We put her side by side with a 4x4 lace closure just so that you can see the difference in the closure, how much more parting leeway you have once you put this on your head. Another reason why I love the 2x6 closure is because when you have your middle part, you're able to put more bundles and more tracks in the front to have that more fuller effect in the front of your head, you know, especially when it comes to wearing your curls or your bones straight. It's just perfect for versatility all around the board. I personally hate a short part, but this closure is perfect when it comes to being able to pack your head with as many bundles as you want and still having that great, clean, crisp part, period.